Thank you.
Hello Aries, welcome to Soul Vibrations. Here to deliver soul vibrational messages for this full moon in Pisces. We are in Virgo season. So today I'll be using tarot and I'll be using pendulum to check your general energy system called chakras, also known as auras or energy points in your body. With that said, it's just a reminder that this is a general energy reading. Also, please subscribe, add me to your list. I would greatly appreciate it. With that said, I've premeditated on your energy, focusing on mind, body, spirit for you, Aries. And I've also pre-shuffled, but I'll give it another few sets to see if anything wants to pop out. Okay. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles, the Eight of Cups, the Six of Wands, Ace of Pentacles, and Four of Pentacles. Lots of pentacles. Let me start with that. Pentacles represent earth element within ourselves. It's our body, it's our material needs, it's our finances. Here it's saying that you're wanting to walk away from emotional baggage that no longer serves you, for more energy, for more financial stability. Definitely having that like protective mode areas of yourself. There is some need to save money, or if you don't feel the need to save money, it is also saying understand how you're using your money, how you're using your body, what you're taking in, what activities you're actually doing that will bring satisfaction versus being too tight and restricted on your moves. There's definitely new beginnings. There's opportunity for finances. You're obviously in pursuit of better health, better home stability, better financial gain. So this is pretty much saying that in order to do that, your emotions need to be a little bit more stable. And what I see here is that ultimately that's what you're doing. You're pretty much walking away what doesn't serve you any longer, Aries. You are having like almost like a meeting with your own soul, with your own spirit, really sitting in. But forward moving when it comes to, again, your body, your finances, whatever you're needing to do in the physical realm, you are pretty much moving forward with that. And in that sense, you are being very protected. You're taking care of your body, like I said, your home, your finances, and your energy is pretty much in pursuit and pretty much trying to move forward and trying to find what brings you that passion, that inspiration, that energy flow. So overall, I think that you are in a good state of mind. Of course, here, I feel like we are all here, okay? We are letting go. We're having a meeting with ourselves. This is an eclipse kind of energy. So we are pretty much beginning to understand our own intuition, our own what no longer serves us. We're like trying to root ourselves, for sure. I believe that's like pretty much overall energy. However, this is pretty much you, Aries. You are pushing through, and I say continue doing what you're doing. Just be very mindful not to be too tight on your decision making and on or your money, or it's more like try to have a balance when it comes to your physical state. Okay. All right. Moving on, I will continue on with, you know what, let me, just because it's, thank you. Okay. I want to check on your chakras. One needs to be balance. Where do you need to give a little bit more attention to yourself? Okay, base chakra, also known as root chakra, and crown chakra. Yes. Okay, thank you, Spirit. Okay. So basically, when it comes to your base chakra, it's a color red. Meditate on these colors. Also, purple colors. Try to focus on those kind of colors when it comes to maybe eating them, fruits and vegetables, wearing them, meditating on them. Whatever you find that can connect you to this. And so base chakra speaks of connection to earth, be more outside, plant, grounding, stability, balance, trust, physical health, nourishment, strength, family, roots, security, survival, prosperity. And now your crown chakra is connection to the universe. It's your spirituality, is your awareness, your consciousness, your wisdom, meaning, your inner joy, peace, wholeness. So this is more of like your spiritual side, and this is more of your physical side. There's something between them that you need to try to like balance, definitely. Aries, I thank you so much for being here, for your time. Best of vibes to you. I hope that this message resonates, and I hope to see you soon. Ciao.